So I want to first of all thank the LIMBE team for organizing this VIP presentation. Just 2 weeks ago, I thought of the idea and I called Noella and Irene. I shared the idea with them and they said it was good. And since then, I just left them to do everything. And here we are today. Thank you, Ernest, for supporting. Thank you, all the LIMBE team. I think this is one of the first VIP presentations we are doing in LIMBE, right?
Second.
The second. Okay. And if we have this outcome, it means if we continue like that, third, fourth, fifth, we'll look for a bigger hall because this hall will no longer contain us. So as I said, I joined Longreach 4 years ago, and I started as a pre-diamond, just like any other person who start Longreach as a pre-diamond. Yeah, we know there are people who just come and start as a Platinum VIP Diamond 2, but before I started, I had been a teacher. Are there teachers in the world or salary workers, salary earners? Do we have salary earners? Okay. I have been in that domain too. I was a teacher before joining Longreach. I taught for about 11 years, 12 years of experience in secondary school, and I finally dropped in 2019 when I was in Diamond 6. I started my growth. Yeah, because you know in life you have to know where you are going. You have to weigh two things. When you are working for somebody, look for at least 1 hour or 2 hours a day to work for yourself. It's true, it's not easy to resign. Even before I resigned, there were times I slept in my room and looked at the four corners of my room. I would look at the ceiling and think, should I not? It's not really easy. But I had to use the economy I learned in secondary school and scale of preference. So you have to choose at times, you have to choose. Because the real insanity is when you are doing the same thing over and over yet expecting different results. It cannot work. So you have, in life at times, you have to know where you are going to, what you want to get there. So that is what I just decided and I resigned and I said since then, I have never turned behind and I have never turned behind and I have never regretted because it gave me more time to put in my Longreach business. I tell you, Longreach, the system works. Longreach works. If you are here and you are a Longreacher, please move. Try to change ranks because when you change ranks, you prove to your downlines that the system works. You are not a tree, move. You have to move from where you are. So when I joined the business, I have never turned behind. I have been working with my downlines, with my leaders, because you have to go closer to your leaders all the time. They are the ones who can coach you, who can explain their experiences to you, who can explain so many things to you. And when you gain from these experiences, you walk towards them and you succeed. Longreach is a platform that changes lives. You just need to go through the process, understand the process, gradually and relentlessly. Even if it has to take you time to succeed, don't give up. Just continue going, don't give up. Because only people who fail give up. It's a platform that is established to empower lives, change lives, and bring people gradually to earn financial independence. Just believe in the system. The company pays us for doing what we love. The company pays us for consuming good products. The company pays us for looking good. Isn't that amazing? So if you are here and you have been prospected several times, I know there are some people who have heard about Longreach maybe 3-4 years ago and they have never joined. Please stop that procrastination. I don't have money. I don't have time. I'm waiting for my husband or wife. Please, no offense. Stop that procrastination. Take the decision now, from where you are now, with whatever you are holding now. Because money is a seed that you plant. If you don't plant that seed, it won't grow. So take that money and plant it so that the seed will grow and you will enjoy great harvest. That is what we do in Longreach. If you are working, Life is changing gradually. Things are becoming expensive. That salary you are earning is no longer enough for you and your family. You have to look for a second source of income. Longreach is not that business that will disturb you from doing your actual job. I resigned because I wanted. I just wanted to put much time in my business. But you can do it while working. We have so many workers are doing Longreach here, not so. Yeah. And you are coping, you are succeeding. It just depends on how you make your program. It just depends on how you make your program. So if you are here and you are still yet to join, please don't hesitate. Join the business. Join the winning team. The platform works. We have seen people who have left from nothing to something. I'm giving an example. There's our pre-SD7 there. I know she will come in and share her story. She's also an example. We have so many in Longreach. Pre-SD, sorry. We have so many in Longreach. Longreach has changed our stories. We have so many stories to tell. But I tell you, you must put in some work. You must put in some work. There is no success that has always been straight, right? Any successful person has always fallen. But when you fall, you have to learn from your mistakes. I had also joined another network marketing before coming to Longreach. I've been in Forever Living Products since 2012 to 2017, 5 years. And I was a manager in Forever Living Products. A manager means what? You have made a sales of 12 million CFA in 2 months consecutively. You become a manager. But when you are a manager and so what? They just call you manager. What next do you get from it? Maybe the bonuses that I took, the bonuses, and had to repay the debts that I took and invested. But when I discovered Longreach through my upline SD Syria, we were also in Forever together. When I discovered Longreach, I instead collected my bonuses from Longreach and paid my debts in the other company. Can you imagine that? So it all depends. Longreach has a very good compensation plan. Not that the other company was bad, not that they don't have products, but you also look at the compensation plan. Longreach has a flexible compensation plan. Their compensation plan is too flexible and unique. You just need to understand it and go through it and you will succeed. If I was somebody that I will take my feedbacks and compare it to today, I would say no, I had failed yesterday. Why should I try today? You should keep on trying. Always keep on trying. You only stop when you are done. You should always keep on trying new things. How can you be alive and you stop? You only stop when you are done, when you are dead, when you no longer live. That is when you stop. Imagine that I had said, because I have met other people who say Longreach is a scam. Yes, maybe because they have been victimized by other companies. But it's not all the companies or MLM that are scams. Not all. Always try new things, study them, and try it. I could abandon it because I had invested millions in the other network marketing. And by that time, I had nothing. So you understand? 1 million, 2 million to me was a whole lot of money, but I invested more than that, 3 times, 4 times that. But I didn't still give up. I didn't give up because I had a future. I knew where I was going to. So when I discovered Longreach, I didn't even want that they should explain the compensation plan to me. I just wanted something new, something different. I bet you when I joined Longreach, I didn't understand my why. Although some people always say, you should know your why, I just joined the business because I wanted something new. And when I attended my first seminar, I went home, I did a lot of research on YouTube and Google. Because I do a lot of research on YouTube and Google. So I did a lot of research on YouTube and Google, studied the product, studied the compensation plan, and there was no single seminar or Longreach event that I missed. No single seminar or Longreach event that I missed because of whatsoever reason. If you really want to do something, excuses are not supposed to be your portion. Excuses are not supposed to be your portion. And that is how I continued the business, studying the compensation plan, studying the product, because if you want to really do this business, you have to talk about it with a lot of conviction. Study your product, The adage goes fast, start, sell, story, sell. Study the product until you have 2 or 3 great stories for each product. People like to listen to stories. People like to listen to testimonies. When you talk about the testimony of a God, of calcium, people will believe more in you. And if you are somebody who you also consume the product. You talk about the product from your own personal experience. You be the product of the product. Talk about the product. Come and sell something that you don't use. Talk about their personal testimonies. People like to listen to stories. So you must master your business very well. Don't just come and register today and start talking on the street like a madman. No, you have to master the business. That's why some people fail. They say, I've talked to it and they refuse. I've talked to A and they refuse. What do you tell them? What do you tell them? It matters a lot. What do you know that you want to transmit? It matters a lot. So take some time. Study the business. Study the company profile. Study the compensation plan before you go out there and talk. Then if you see somebody who is really interested in the business, you have uplines, you have leaders who already understand the business. Take them along and go for that prospection. Or you bring that person to the company. Don't give out too much on the same day. Don't give out too much on the same day. So I want to talk to all the invitees here in the hall. I will still tell you thank you for coming. Embrace this opportunity. Don't doubt the platform. We have succeeded in Longreach. There are so many leaders too in the hall who have succeeded. And as I said, in my 4 years in Longreach, I have qualified several international trips, all expense paid. I have lost count. Several international trips, all expense paid, including 7 cars in Longreach. In my 4 years, I've qualified 7 cars already. And in Longreach, once you have a good team, you start qualifying cars. You'll be tired of cars. Because these cars, Longreach does not actually give you a car, then they give you money. Because in Longreach, we have cars ranging from 7.9 million to even up to 70 million. As for the ranking, this year we have up to 90 million car. So that director too. So just key in. Go through the process. It's a teamwork. You can't build a business alone. I have personally registered about 50 people in Longreach, but I have over 27,000 people in my team. I deserve a clap. Yes. It's just clear that it is not me alone. I'm not the only one building the team. I'm here talking to you. I have a team in Douala doing the same seminar. I have a team in Gaundere doing the same seminar. I have a team in Bafoussam, doing the same seminar. So that is how we work. We work as a team. You cannot do the business alone. I have come here to support the team in Limbe. And as you see me, I talk earlier because I have to leave. I'm not here. So since tomorrow it goes down, and it's a rentrée scolaire, so I have to rush and go back. So I really miss you people. I was really supposed to dance, but anyhow, we'll have to program it again, right? We really have to program it. So thank you for coming. Thank you. Stay at home, be comfortable, and enjoy yourselves.
Okay, another round of applause for IC. I saw her change ranks, so it's doable, it's possible. Ladies and gentlemen, before I continue, let's